doing the Great Ocean Road. Woke up early this morning and we are at Barwon Bluff, and we'll head to 13th Beach and just go from place to place. First night we are in Apollo Bay, so we've got lots to pack into these next few days. So it should be very busy. Very busy.
We're just waiting for Riley to rock up, so we'll have a look around here and then we'll keep cruising. We haven't even made it to Great Ocean Road yet, mate. What's going on? Here we are at the Australian Surf Museum. Gonna go have a look. Let's go. Where are we?
We are at Bells Beach. We just checked out the surf museum. It's very cold. Not the best weather.
Very windy.
With a view.
G'day guys. Where are we?
We are about to do She Oak Falls, but we can't fit in the car park. This is our camp last night. We got the corner site and somehow fit Riley's trailer and car and Bailey's car, but we had to put the boat beside one of the cabins that weren't being used because it didn't fit on the actual site because they're tiny and it's packed.
We are on the Otways Treetop Adventure right now. Here we go. Just adventuring.
Cargo boys.
Yes, please, on the camera.
Weather's a little bit nicer today. Here we are.
Block traffic.
What? Yeah.
guys, day number 3 on Great Ocean Road. We camped in Port Campbell last night here at the caravan park, and we are going to head back to a couple of the things that we missed yesterday because we had the trailers on, so we're just taking the cars this morning. So we'll show you those first up, and then we'll keep cruising for the day. Got to Sparks Gully. This is bloody unreal. We're gonna send the drone up, have a look around. We've just spent the morning in Timboon, and we went to the distillery and the ice creamery. Now we're at London Bridge.
Just got to Bay of Islands and we're gonna have some lunch, and we're gonna go check out the steepest boat ramp in the world. Very excited. I don't think we'll be launching the boat. Good?
Just like that. What's for dinner, Ricky?
I don't know, we just got told to cook. So we're doing this crispy beef. What are the chances?
What? Oh shit. You want a bit of salt and pepper, Ricky?
Yeah, I do, mate. What are the chances? Shit, I hope my wife doesn't come back in here. Yeah, a little bit of pepper.
Here we go, just a little bit of pepper.
Lovely. Let's just put it back in.
What do you reckon, Gazy?
And she said,
Oh my god, it tastes amazing.
what are you doing?
So good.
Oh, hello.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So good. Extra enough salt. We've got an eggs Benny pie.